Mr. Manish and April on behalf of Micron to present the red packet.
Welcome everyone to Micron's high-volume DRAM Center of Excellence. Today's grand opening represents an exciting step forward in Micron's pursuit of operational excellence here in Taiwan. The opening of this assembly and test site here in Taichung makes Taiwan the only location in our network that has vertical integration in DRAM manufacturing, from wafer production to wafer probing and testing to assembly and test of our finished DRAM products. And it also brings together some of the world's brightest talent to work on the most challenging problems in the semiconductor industry. Today, Micron employs more than 7,000 team members here in Taiwan, and I'm delighted to report that this new facility alone has contributed approximately 1,000 of those high-paying, high-quality jobs in the last year as we've been ramping towards this moment. With our footprint in Taiwan continuing to grow, we have plans to add an additional 1,000 employees over the next year. Thanks to this sustained growth, Micron remains Taiwan's largest foreign direct investor and largest foreign employer. Micron is not just committed to contributing to Taiwan's economy and semiconductor ecosystem. We are also committed to being a strong community partner. Over the course of our history here, we have contributed thousands of volunteer hours and nearly $1 million to Taiwan colleges, universities, and local institutions. I want to express my gratitude to more than 7,000 hardworking Micron employees here in Taiwan. We owe our future to your dedication. On behalf of Micron and our leadership team, thank you to everyone here for helping make this Center of Excellence a reality.
Hand it over to Mr. Manish. Can you all hold it up together?